Hello drama fans, welcome back to episode Bayi. The official trailer for TUUMAAL Episode 13 delivers a major shift in the story's momentum. After weeks of courtroom battles, legal pressure, and dangerous accusations, the conflict is now moving inside the family itself. Episode 13 looks to set focus on emotional confrontations, painful truths, and the growing tension between parents and children. Let's break down everything we spotted in the trailer. Our first observation is that the episode opens with much quieter and more emotional atmosphere. Several scenes focus on private conversations rather than public confrontations. Words like change and times are repeatedly mentioned, suggesting that some characters are desperately trying to repair damaged relationships between it's too late. But beneath that calm surface, the pressure continues to build. The second major movements involve guilt, secrets, and the possibility of a shocking confession. One of the most emotional scenes in the trailer shows a woman breaking down in tears while being comforted by someone close to her. Immediately afterward, we hear dialogue centered around confession. This raises a huge question. Is someone finally ready to admit what they have done? Could a key character finally reveal the truth about the events that have thrown the entire family into chaos? Or will someone sacrifice themselves to protect another family member? Whatever the answer may be, the emotional burden is becoming impossible to hide. Our third observation is powerful message about parents and children. One character delivers a strong reality check explaining that parents cannot continue trying to live their own lives through their children. This appears to be one of the central themes of episode 13. The younger generation is beginning to reject the decisions, expectations, and pressure that have been imposed upon them. For the first time, they are openly challenging the authority of their elders, and that leads us to the biggest moment of the trailer. The final scene belongs completely to the young girl with the glasses. In a fiery confrontation, she stands her ground and refuses to back down. Pointing directly at an older woman, she boldly tells her to leave her father alone. The scene is powerful because it shows that the children are no longer passive observers. They are now willing to fight for the people they love. This could become one of the most memorable moments of the entire season. Overall, TUUMAAL Episode 13 appears to be shifting away from legal drama and moving deeper into family conflict. Secrets are getting harder to hide, relationships are being tested, and the younger generation is finally finding its voice. The big question now is simple: who is going to confess, and what consequences will that confession bring? Episode 13 promises emotion, confrontations, and some major turning points that could change everything. What do you think? Who is most likely to confess, and were you impressed by the young girl's defense of her father? Share your predictions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest TUUMAAL analysis. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video. This is episode Bayi signing off.